Hey my darlings, hey my loves, dumelang batho ba ka. Dumelang lona, dumelang. It's been forever lona. Dumelang, I hope you're well, I hope you're fine, I hope you're good lona. Happy New Year. I know it's been forever. Don't come for me and say, Happy New Year this time of the year. Happy New Year this time. Yes, guys. Bara arifet or Happy New Year. I hope Luna. I hope you're okay. But we can do Happy New Year as long as it's not June as yet. Kidding, my darling. Lena, I hope Lishapo. How are you? How have you been? How have you been with your families? How have you been with your loved ones? If you're asking yourself, who is this gorgeous hand here cleaning? I am the elegant Carrie. I hope you love the family. I hope you enjoy this vlog. Kindly like this video that you're watching. Kindly like it now. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Family, Luna. Let's grow this family. I've missed you guys. It's been forever, but yeah, I'm back now and I'm happy to be here. I'm excited to be here, and I was like, Manyanaga, start the year with a very clean and calm slate. Manyana clean. To join the family. Remember to tell your friends, to tell their friends, to tell their friends. Or your girl has a YouTube channel. You guys, I'm excited. I was like, ngonyana ka clean the kitchen. Kitchen ya ngonyana ha ibe neat. New year, fresh start, my darlings. You guys, let me thank Baby D for recording last vlog when I wasn't really in a good space. It was January and I was not feeling well. I decided to rest, but I was like, no, Baby D, you can still shoot what you want. Plus, Nyanaka loves the camera. So yeah, she took over so as to keep the channel busy, risk and about quiet for the longest time. Yeah, she did a great job. And you guys, thank you for watching that vlog. Yeah, my darlings. There's nothing powerful about starting the new year with a clean and organized space, my darling. So today I woke up. I'm resetting the kitchen unit to create a calm and functional home for the family. If you're also in your reset season, you guys clean with me while watching this vlog, or rather watch it, and when you're done, kindly grab your cloth, your broom, like clean your house as if you have never cleaned it before. Let this video be a motivation for you to just wake up and clean, you guys. I know most of us don't like this chore, but then we have to do it, you guys. So yeah, or you can grab your coffee and clean along with me as we tackle this kitchen unit together. Let's make our homes feel fresh for the new year, you guys. I don't usually clean the carpet, but today I was like, Ngonyana, do it for yourself, do it for the family, do it for the fresh start, you know, you guys. And then the other thing, we're really facing a challenge here at home. Our helpers are not back from home. Yeah, Manuarana Abua. She usually comes with her little sister, so she's not back as yet. And then we can't get hold of them because they're from Mozambique. I don't know whether they changed their numbers when they got there, but then we're struggling to get hold of them. So we're hoping that they will come back and keep assisting us with the household chores, you guys, because you all know it can be a lot. As mommies, we need someone to actually hold our hands and help us navigate this motherhood journey. Only one, my darling, you can actually like okawela fast. It can be a lot. So yeah, as we start this year, I will encourage every mommy to get help. But it's not easy. Laundry, ironing, mohota, and then you're juggling your work as well, and then you must always also create time for your little nanas. So for you to be able to navigate this whole mommyhood journey, you need help, Mutwaka. You need help. Get help. As for us, our money, wa aina utlina mechota, udira the windows. So yeah, all those things. What has the raga, you know. And we're very grateful for them because indeed, Rebumang Telebona, my darlings. So they're not back as yet, as I have explained. So it's up to us. While we're waiting, let's just clean. Yesterday, my sister and Dimpo did the yard. And you all know, if you haven't been cleaning for a while, it's been raining, Majwang Amela, so it was just too much. So I woke up, Luena, do your part. Yeah, my darlings, let's clean together. I'm playing Kenny. I thought it's really good. I don't remember which is something. Yeah, I need to logic. Guys, my darlings, I'm doing this voice over on a Saturday, the 24 January, and then I'm thinking of that accident that has happened in the Val. Like, I'm here thinking, oh Modimo wa ka, oh batho, like haona motswadi or deserving who go through that pain. Like, I don't even know what to say. Like, it's so sad. It's so sad. But the learners who are traveling to school, like, you wake up in the morning, you prepare your child for school, and then that happened. You know, but like, my heart is so heavy as a mom. Like, I'm shattered. The whole week hasn't been easy, and I know this goes for everyone. As a country, like, it's so painful. Like, men and women, like, who for I just want to say my heartfelt condolences to the parents, families, loved ones, who have lost these precious souls in that tragic accident while traveling to school. Like, there are no ways that can truly ease such an like, the pain is very much unbearable. Like, I don't even know, guys. I don't know how to. I don't even know what to say. May they find strength, may they find comfort and support during this incredible, difficult time. Like, I don't even know what but it's so sad. May the memories of their children forever live in their hearts. Like, may the memories be cherished forever. Like, the videos that I've been watching on TikTok, wherever, on social media, those mummies cried. And none of us, like, I don't even wish that to my worst enemy. Like, it's just so sad. As a country, let's just take a moment of silence and pray for the families. It's so sad. Oh, Modimo Papa, Modimo di kgaogelo. Thaoga seabe sa matlhogonono tsena malapeng. Go motša dipelo tše robegileng. Oh. Amen. Yo. was thinking while I'm cleaning, hore, actually cleaning might look like an ordinary chore, but it actually feels like therapy. Like, as for me, I don't usually clean. I don't like cleaning. Like, cleaning is not one of my favorite chore to do. But as I was cleaning, I realized this is actually more than a chore. It actually a therapy, because not because it fixes everything, but because it helped me breathe again. You know, when your space is messy, your mind also feels the same, crowded and overwhelmed. So cleaning helps quiet the noise. Every time when I wiped, I was just refreshed. You know, when your mind feels refreshed, my darlings. So yeah, every time I wipe, I was just like, this feels better. Not that I will do it every time. But yeah, but provided I have to, I will have to do it any time. But so yeah, it gives me a sense of control. You know, a lot of things in life are unpredictable, but this is one thing I can start and finish. You know, this is one thing I can start and finish, and seeing the difference immediately reminds me that small actions really matters, because I've realized we only want to do big things or achieve big things in order for us to actually congratulate ourselves or feel like, yeah, we really worthy, like we really did it. But smaller things like cleaning your space can really leave a big difference in your mind and soul. Like, it's so satisfying. It gives you a sense of, yeah, I did this today. It really felt good, I don't want to lie. Yeah, it also allows me to slow down and be present in the moment. You know, I'm not thinking about yesterday or worrying about tomorrow. I'm just focused on what's in front of me right now. Yeah, in that way, then it becomes a form of mindfulness. Like, you get to just be quiet and listen to your soul, to your thought. You know, you actually be reminded of the smaller things that matters, because in this time you can really think and just be quiet in the moment. You know, so yeah, I really enjoyed doing this, creating space in the closet and decluttering through some things that are not necessary anymore, and just showing up for myself, you know, in small and simple ways. You know, sometimes we think showing up is about dressing up, going out and doing nails or having beautiful lunch with friends, which also matters the most. I don't want to lie, it also matters. But in this sense, I also felt like I showed up for myself. Like, this matters the most. Me being in a very clean space matters the most. So that even when I go out, I feel like I left a clean home. You understand? So yeah, if you're watching this and feeling overwhelmed, I hope this video reminds you that healing doesn't always look dramatic. Sometimes it looks like a clean counter, tidy shelf, or a fresh start, one room at a time. Skaki image, I'm talking one room at a time. I also want to do the bathroom, but yeah, I'll see how it goes. Maybe not today, maybe some other day. But yeah, I just want to do it for myself, clean the house bit by bit, because it really felt like therapy. I enjoyed it. I don't want to lie.